Melbourne's love of Java has been brewing since the 1880s, where awe-inspiring coffee palaces were constructed in its honour. A modern Espresso Martini with vibrant hedgerow fruit flavours. Chill a Nick and Nora glass and put to one side. Collect a cocktail shaker and add a bar spoon of sugar syrup. Freshly brewed espresso provides a caffeine hit and a delicious two-tone texture to this cocktail. The sublime bramble gin liqueur unites lush Scottish blackberries with London dry gin. Mr. Black cold-pressed coffee liqueur adds an intensely smooth coffee flavour. Four Pillars Bloody Shiraz Gin is a truly unique spirit when juicy berry notes are joined with undertones of earthy herbs, peppery juniper and winter spices. Fill with cubed ice and hard shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Discard ice from the Nick and Nora glass. Fine strain. Dust dried raspberry powder over the top of the drink. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.